Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting two beginner-friendly drones head-to-head, the DJI Flip and the DJI Neo. If you're on the fence about which one suits your needs, stick around as we break it down for you. Both the DJI Flip and DJI Neo cater to beginners, but they have different focuses. The DJI Flip is a new type of drone with a unique folding design that combines a camera drone and a vlogging drone. It's designed for those who want versatility and safety, especially for vlogging or capturing selfies. On the other hand, the DJI Neo is more of a classic selfie drone with simple controls and features aimed at ease of use. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for straightforward photo and video capture. The DJI Flip comes with a bold and innovative design. It has built-in propeller guards instead of traditional arms, which makes it safer for close proximity flights. Folded up, it looks like a sci-fi spaceship, and unfolded, it's larger than the DJI Neo. Its propeller guards make it beginner-friendly for palm takeoffs and landings, which is great if you're in muddy or uneven areas. The DJI Neo, on the other hand, is smaller and lighter. It's incredibly portable, so if you're looking for a drone you can toss into your bag, without a second thought, the Neo might be your pick. However, it doesn't have the Flip's built-in safety features, so you'll need to be a bit more cautious while flying. When it comes to cameras, the DJI Flip edges out the Neo with its 1x1.3-inch sensor. You can shoot in both JPEG and RAW formats with videos up to 4K at 60 frames per second. It even offers a 10-bit D-Log M profile for color grading, which gives you more control over your footage if you like to tweak it later. It's definitely aimed at people who want a little more flexibility in their vlogs or photos. The DJI Neo, however, keeps things simple. It's built for casual users who want good quality but aren't concerned about advanced features. Its camera is solid for selfies and quick videos, but it doesn't match the Flip's versatility. Here's where the real differences start to show. The DJI Flip is packed with intelligent flight modes like Active Track 4.0, Spotlight 2.0, and Point of Interest 3.0. These modes make it easy to track subjects and capture dynamic footage, even if you're not experienced with flying drones. The Flip also has a slightly longer flight time of up to 31 minutes per battery. But there's a catch. The Flip struggles in windy conditions due to its unique design. While it's still fast enough at 27 miles per hour in sport mode, it's not as agile as some other drones. The DJI Neo keeps things simple. It has basic intelligent modes but doesn't offer the same level of tracking or customization as the Flip. Its smaller size makes it a bit more nimble though, and easier to handle for quick flights. However, its flight time is slightly shorter, maxing out around 28 minutes. The DJI Flip is marketed as a vlogging drone, and it's clear why. You can capture audio through the DJI Fly app or connect the DJI mic for improved sound quality. The drone also filters out propeller noise, making your voice recordings cleaner. If you're creating content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram, you'll love the Flip's vertical video capabilities. The DJI Neo doesn't focus on vlogging. It's more about casual fun and capturing moments, so you won't find the same audio or video features that cater to vloggers. Let's talk numbers. The DJI Flip starts at $439 for the standard kit and goes up to $779 for the Fly More combo. The extra batteries, charging hub, and smart controller make the combo a solid deal if you're serious about flying. The DJI Neo is more budget-friendly. It's great for someone who wants a simple drone without breaking the bank, but you'll miss out on the advanced features the Flip offers. Both the DJI Flip and DJI Neo are excellent beginner drones, but they cater to slightly different needs. If you're looking for a versatile drone that can handle vlogging, advanced video settings, and a bit of everything, the DJI Flip is worth the extra cash. But if you want something simple, portable, and affordable, the DJI Neo is a great choice. Which one fits your style better? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more drone comparisons. See you in the next video.